Hi, I'm Gareth Spence and welcome to Tech Talk. Netomnia is a UK altnet that has been making the headlines lately for the launch of the fastest consumer product on the market. To help me understand the significance of this, I'm joined by Jeremy Chelot from Netomnia and YouFibre and Ronan Kelly from Adtran. Jeremy, can you explain what makes your new service, U8000, so special?
First of all, it's the only one in the UK. So I think as a company, we've always tried to push the boundary of what is possible. And launching our 8000 meg product was a way to demonstrate that our network is not just gigabit capable, but 10 gigabit capable. And also being able to give consumers something that they had never experienced before.
You've also announced that you're going to be Adtran's first customer of its SDX 6400 50 gigabit PON OLT platform. What impact will this have on current service offerings?
I mean, that's simple. If you look at technology trends, when everybody was doing GPON, I started doing XGPON. And really, if you want to offer true gigabit type of services, GPON is not enough. So it was important for me in the past to roll out XGS-PON for that. But now that we are rolling out that 8000 meg service, it's about making sure that we've got a true 10 gigabit services that we can offer to every home. And 50 gigabit PON is necessary to provide that level of service.
Ronan, this is a good point to bring you into the conversation. Is there a large market demand for this type of OLT?
There's very much an increasing demand for it. What we've seen, as Jeremy pointed out, Adtran pioneered the introduction of XGS-PON into the UK market back in 2016, at the beginning of 2016. And if you look at the UK market now, 99% of the operators in the UK are now deploying XGS-PON off the back of that innovation that we brought to the market. 50 gig is the new emerging technology, and this is where service providers want to be able to bring new and novel services on top of the existing fiber networks that they've already built and lit with XGS-PON, opening up new revenue streams and also giving them a role to play in the future ecosystem of 5G, 6G, etc. So it's future-proofing their revenue streams as they go forward, but it's also opening up an opportunity now to deliver new enterprise-focused services and even higher speed services than what Jeremy's delivering today that are leading the market at this point in time.
As these offerings start moving to multi-gigabit services, what are the implications operators need to consider?
It's really, really important that the service providers consider the end-to-end ecosystem. We went on a journey with Jeremy's team when we were first introducing the new 8 gig product, the 8000 megabit per second product that they've just launched. And that journey included making sure all of the components in the end-to-end chain could deliver that capacity right the way through the network so that there were no blockers whatsoever. And that's really important for service providers. There's no point in bringing, multiple gigabits per second to the front door if the Wi-Fi infrastructure can't deliver it throughout the premises. Equally, there's no point in bringing that sort of service to the OLT equipment in the street cabinet or in the exchange if the backhaul infrastructure can't support it either. So you really need to make sure you plan it all the way through.
Gentlemen, thanks for joining me today.